Welcome to another episode of Exploring Singapore with the Malabari lens. Today, I'm visiting a rather unique place in Singapore, the Sembawang Hot Spring. Located in the northern part of Singapore, Sembawang Hot Spring is one of the few natural hot springs found in the country. The spring was discovered way back in 1909, and over the years, it has become a fascinating little piece of Singapore's natural heritage. As I entered the park, the first thing I noticed was how peaceful the surroundings were. It's quite surprising to find a place like this in a busy city like Singapore. The water comes naturally from underground, and the temperature can be quite hot, so it's definitely not something you want to jump into without checking first. There are different levels where visitors can collect the spring water and enjoy a warm foot soak. I noticed people cooking eggs using the hot spring water. There's a dedicated egg cooking area where the temperature of the water is around 70 degrees Celsius. Visitors can place eggs into the hot spring water and let them cook. Of course, you need to be patient because the water isn't boiling, but it's still hot enough to cook the eggs over time. Watching people prepare their eggs this way was definitely one of the highlights of my visit. It's not something you get to see every day in Singapore. If you're looking for something different to explore, especially if you enjoy nature, history, and unique places, Sembawang Hot Spring is definitely worth adding to your Singapore itinerary. And the best part? It's completely free to visit. So, the next time you're exploring the northern part of Singapore, why not stop by Sembawang Hot Spring, relax your feet, and experience a little piece of Singapore's natural heritage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the Malabari lens for more interesting places, adventures, and stories from Singapore. See you in the next video.